Hey guys, in this part we talk about file handling in Python. File handling is an important part of any web application. Python has several functions for creating, reading, updating and deleting files. The key function for working with files in Python is the open function. The open function takes two parameters, file name and mode. There are four different methods or modes for opening a file. So first is R. The R read default value opens a file for reading, error if the file doesn't exist. And the another mode is A. A opens a file for appending, creates the file if it doesn't exist. And another is W. W opens a file for writing, creates the file if it doesn't exist. And another is X. An X creates the specified file, returns an error if the file exists. In addition, you can specify if the file should be handled as binary or text mode. So you can have you have T for text and B for binary mode. And for example, you can have RT for read text.